guys, this is the first video I'm doing that is not going to be an ant video. I will be doing some gameplay on MK48.io. I've played this game before and I think it's pretty fun. Well, yeah, as you can tell, I'm very skilled. So, let's get into it. Okay, we start off in the first boat. Oh wait, is that a... Yep, this will be a submarine. What I'm going to try and do is snag a kill on this Fargo guy. Guys, come up next to him, behind him, next to him. Yeah, I'm super skilled. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna kill this Atlas person. Probably not. I'm definitely not gonna be able to kill this Atlas person. Okay, I'm gonna run up behind him and just... Oh yes, a kill! Run. Okay, I'm at full speed. Oh. Over here. Oh wait, yes, this is good, this is good. Okay, this one is the one I normally go to when I'm doing this game. That's a bot, because any of them that's named like a weird name is usually a bot. Sorry, that one's probably a bot. Oh crap, aircraft carrier. Drive. Drive with all the speed of a god. Okay, I'm gonna kill this person. Oh. Run. Rocket boat. Oh, an ad. Okay, I just skipped the ad. Well, didn't really skip it. Okay, let's try and get a win. Well, not a win, but let's try and get to the next boat, which I'm pretty sure is the motor torpedo. There's one called like a rocket boat or like a something like that. That's one of my favorites. Oh, I dodged that. That CPT Tai is gonna try and kill me. Not today. Yeah, I'm just gonna send a request to every single fleet, and hopefully a single... Oh. Haha. L, take the L. Oh! Please be on my team, please be on my team, please be on my team. Yes, it's on my team! Oh my god. That would be in a little bit of trouble there. Okay. Should I just leave the team and kill him? Actually? Strat. It's a strat. Trust me, it works. Trust me. I've used it. It's big brain. Big brain material. Yes, big brain! Now, this is why they call me, Mr. Smartness. Yep, nope. Oh, thank god I killed him. It's this one. Oh yeah, this is the good one. I'm progressing fairly quickly. Okay, I'm probably... no, I'm not gonna die. I'm going to put out this thing, send it against Eddie over there. And then send a bunch to kill Siri. Oh, thank god. Oh my god, I was so close to dying. Wait. That's a bomb. I really want to get an aircraft carrier, but I'm gonna probably, when I get an aircraft drive, get out of here. Okay, yep, that dude took the L. very heavily. Yeah, I'm gonna do my old strat. Request to join every single one. And if any, okay, I'm gonna find a teammate and then do the same old strat. Okay, let's go over here. I'm gonna bully the people. Oh wait, that's a guy I could bully. Oh, hold up, I might do that same strat. Okay, I'm not gonna do a strat to this dude because he helped me. But if he tries to steal this kill, is he going to? Oh, no, 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 no. Wait, this is where I get my aircraft carrier. Aircraft carrier, aircraft carrier. Okay, yep, I need to get out of here. Move that little Timmy. Oh, okay, yep, I'm gonna get rid of End, I guess. He's dead. I'm gonna get rid of that dude. He's dead. He's dead. One more hit, one more hit. Bro, kill him. Never mind, never mind. That dude over there looks slightly big. I'm running. Oh! Do not aggro him. Oh crap, bro. Please, planes. Try and do some damage. Do some damage. Oh, bro, I just got this plane. Please, no. No, I'm not far enough. No, I'm cooked. Oh my god. This is a bad way to go. Bro. Okay, well, I did what I was trying to do. Get the aircraft carrier. So I think I'm going to end off the video here. Okay. Goodbye.